Hello and welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we're exploring 10 of the best drones built for aerial photography, videography, and recreational flying. From budget-friendly options perfect for beginners to professional-grade powerhouses with cutting-edge technology, these drones are designed for those who want to capture breathtaking footage and explore the world from above. Whether you're documenting adventures, creating cinematic content, learning to fly, or pursuing professional aerial photography, these drones combine reliability and innovative features like no other. Let's get started. Number 10. Hubsan Zeno Mini Pro. The Hubsan Zeno Mini Pro is a compact powerhouse that delivers impressive performance in a foldable, ultra-portable design weighing just 249 grams. Featuring a 48mm camera capable of shooting 4K video at 30 FPS, it captures stunning aerial footage with remarkable clarity. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures smooth, stable footage even in moderate wind conditions. With up to 40 minutes of flight time and a transmission range of 10 kilometers, you can explore far and wide without worrying about battery life. Obstacle avoidance sensors and intelligent flight modes like Active Track make it easy to capture professional-looking shots. The foldable design fits easily in a backpack, making it perfect for travelers and content creators who need quality aerial footage without the bulk. GPS positioning and return-to-home functionality provide peace of mind during flights. The Hubsan Zeno Mini Pro retails for approximately $450 USD. Number 9. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus stands out with its impressive 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures stunning 20mm photos and 6K video at 30 FPS. This larger sensor size provides exceptional low-light performance and dynamic range, making it ideal for professional content creators who demand the best image quality. The adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11 gives you creative control over depth of field and exposure. With a 40-minute flight time and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, you can fly confidently in complex environments. The Moonlight algorithm enhances night shooting capabilities, while Dynamic Track 2.1 keeps your subjects locked in frame. Weighing 835 grams with a foldable design, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and professional features. The included remote controller features a built-in screen for a convenient operation without a smartphone. The Autel Evo Lite Plus retails for approximately $150 USD. Number 8. Ruko F11 Gem 2. The Ruko F11 Gem 2 offers incredible value for beginners and hobbyists looking to enter the world of aerial photography without breaking the bank. Featuring a 2-axis mechanical gimbal and 4K camera, it delivers surprisingly smooth footage at an accessible price point. The brushless motors provide stable flight and extended lifespan, while GPS positioning enables intelligent features like return to home and follow me modes. With up to 56 minutes of flight time using 2 included batteries, you can capture extended shooting sessions without interruption. The 5 GHz FPV transmission delivers real-time video to your smartphone at distances up to 1.2 kilometers. Complete with a carrying case and multiple batteries, the F11 GAM2 is an excellent starter drone that doesn't compromise on essential features. Altitude hold and headless mode make it easy for beginners to master basic flight controls. The Ruko F11 Gem 2 retails for approximately $300 USD. Number 7. Rise Tello. The Rise Tello is the perfect entry-level drone for beginners, kids, and anyone curious about flying without a significant investment. Developed in collaboration with DJI, it features impressive stabilization and easy controls through a smartphone app. The 5MP camera shoots 720p HD video, perfect for learning the basics of aerial photography. Despite its small size and lightweight build, the Tello includes intelligent features like throw-and-go launch, 8D flips, and easy shots that create short videos automatically. With up to 13 minutes of flight time and electronic image stabilization, it's ideal for indoor and outdoor practice. The Tello is also programmable with scratch coding, making it an excellent educational tool for learning robotics and programming. Safe, affordable, and fun, it's the ultimate introduction to drone flying for all ages. The Rise Tello retails for approximately $100 USD. Number 6. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 brings professional quality features to the ultra-lightweight category, maintaining the sub-2 50-gram weight that keeps flying simple and regulation-free in many regions. The redesigned form factor includes extended battery arms for improved stability and up to 38 minutes of flight time. The 1.3-inch sensor captures stunning 4K HDR video at 60 FPS and 48mm photos with enhanced dynamic range and color accuracy. True vertical shooting mode is perfect for social media content, while intelligent features like quick shots, panorama, and focus track make complex shots accessible to everyone. Level 4. Wind resistance and redesigned propellers ensure stable flight in challenging conditions. With the DJI Fly app's intuitive interface and DJI's legendary reliability, the Mini 3 is perfect for creators who want premium results without premium weight. The compact controller and foldable design make it incredibly portable for any adventure. The DJI Mini 3 retails for approximately $470 USD. Number 5. Potensic Atom C. The Potensic Atom SE is a feature-packed drone that punches well above its price point, making advanced aerial photography accessible to everyone. Weighing just 249 grams, it features a 3-axis gimbal and 4K camera that captures crisp, stable footage with excellent color reproduction. GPS positioning and optical flow sensors provide precise hovering and positioning, even indoors. With up to 31 minutes of flight time and a control range of 4 kilometers, you have plenty of time and distance to explore. One-touch takeoff and landing, return to home, and follow-me modes make it incredibly user-friendly for beginners. The compact foldable design fits easily in a backpack, while the included carrying case protects your investment. Intelligent flight modes, including waypoint navigation and orbit mode, enable creative shots with minimal piloting skill. For those seeking premium features without the premium price tag, the Atom SE delivers exceptional value. The Potensic Atom C retails for approximately $250 USD. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720E. The Holy Stone HS720E combines impressive specifications with beginner-friendly operation, making it an excellent choice for aspiring aerial photographers. The 4K EIS camera with 110-degree FOV captures smooth, high-quality video, while the 2-axis gimbal reduces shake and jitter. GPS-assisted flight enables intelligent features including optical flow positioning, follow-me mode, point of interest, and custom waypoint navigation. With 2 batteries providing up to 46 minutes of total flight time and brushless motors for quiet, efficient operation, you can capture extended shooting sessions. The 5 GHz FPV transmission offers a stable connection up to 1.6 kilometers, while the foldable design and carrying case make transport effortless. Complete with multiple intelligent flight modes and comprehensive safety features including low battery return, the HS720E is built for those ready to take their aerial content to the next level. Altitude hold and headless modes simplify flying for newcomers. The Holy Stone HS720E retails for approximately $350 USD. Number 3. Autel Nano Plus. The Autel Nano Plus is a marvel of miniaturization, packing a 1.28-inch CMOS sensor into a sub-250-gram frame that rivals drones twice its size. This impressive sensor captures stunning 50mm photos and 4K video at 30 FPS with exceptional detail and dynamic range. The 3-axis gimbal provides cinema-quality stabilization, while obstacle avoidance sensors in 3 directions keep you flying safely in complex environments. Intelligent features like Dynamic Track 2.1 Orbit and Quick Shots make professional cinematography accessible to everyone. With up to 28 minutes of flight time and 10-kilometer transmission range, you can explore distant locations with confidence. The foldable design fits in your pocket, making it the perfect travel companion for content creators who refuse to compromise on image quality. The included remote controller with built-in screen eliminates the need for a smartphone connection. The Autel Nano Plus retails for approximately $650 USD. Number 2. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 represents a leap forward in mid-size drone technology with its innovative dual-camera system that provides unmatched versatility. Featuring both a wide-angle 24mm camera and a 70mm medium telephoto lens, each with 1.3-inch CMOS sensors, you get incredible flexibility without changing drones. Both cameras shoot 4K at 100 FPS and 48p photos, allowing you to capture everything from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APIS 5.0 navigates complex environments autonomously, while 46 minutes of flight time gives you extended shooting sessions. O4 video transmission technology delivers a crisp, stable feed up to 20 kilometers away. Active Track 5.0 keeps subjects perfectly framed, while Waypoint Flight and Master Shots automate complex cinematic movements. The advanced HDR video mode and 10-bit D-Log-M color profile provide professional color grading flexibility. For serious content creators who demand professional results and versatility, the Air 3 delivers unmatched capability in a portable package. The DJI Air 3 retails for approximately $100 USD. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro earns our top spot as the ultimate combination of portability, power, and professional capability in the consumer drone market. Despite weighing just 249 grams, it packs features found in drones 3 times its size and price. The 1.3-inch sensor with dual native ISO captures stunning 4K HDR at 100 FPS and 48 MP RAW photos with exceptional detail and dynamic range. True omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APAS 5.0 provides confident flying in any direction, while Active Track 360 keeps subjects perfectly tracked from any angle. The innovative cruise control and Waypoint Flight features enable complex autonomous shots with cinematic precision. With up to 45 minutes of flight time using the extended battery and 20-kilometer O4 transmission, you can fly farther and longer than ever before. Vertical shooting mode, D-Log-M color profile, and 10-bit video give content creators professional-grade tools in an incredibly portable package. The redesigned controller with integrated screen provides a premium flying experience. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, passionate hobbyist, or aspiring creator, the Mini 4 Pro delivers uncompromising performance that redefines what's possible in a sub-250-gram drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro retails for approximately $760 USD.